Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and Xiaomi has just announced its Mi 9 flagship globally at its pre-MWC event, and well, we went hands-on with it. So what are you waiting for? Let's take a look at the Mi 9. Okay, so this is the Mi 9, the Mi 9 Transparent Edition and the Mi 9 Black variant. And the Mi 9 is Xiaomi's new flagship, and well, it looks like a flagship. Like most flagships these days, the phone features the metal glass combo with Gorilla Glass 5 on the back and Gorilla Glass 6 on the front. The phone also features a couple of gradient color variants that honestly look super cool. I mean, I like the effects that the back has with different lighting. Xiaomi calls it the holographic reflective back, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Another thing I like about the design here is this halo ring accent camera ring. It just gives the phone more character. The only issue I have with the design here is the camera bar. Anyway, compared to the Mi 8, the Mi 9 isn't a major revamp, but yeah, it does look good. But that's from the back. Let's move on to the front where there are some major changes. First off, the big notch is gone, and so is IR face unlock, which is something I really liked on the Mi 8. Instead, the bezels have reduced and now you get the teardrop notch, which does give the phone a good look. There's also the under-screen fingerprint scanner on the front, which in this demo unit just failed to work. But since it's the 5th gen optical sensor, it should be fast enough. Apart from that, there's the usual USB-C port, the single speaker. Yeah, still no stereo speakers here. But there's one cool feature in this phone, and that's wireless charging. And that is not your usual wireless charging. We are talking fast 20-watt wireless charging, which is set to charge the phone to 100% in just 90 minutes. Take a look at how it compares to other wireless charging technologies. This is insane, right? This is seriously impressive. Anyway, that was the look of the phone. Now let's talk about the specs in the Mi 9. So as you can see, it's pretty clear that the Mi 9 is a flagship phone with some flagship specs. So you get the 6.39-inch Super AMOLED display, and that is still Full HD, but it looks beautiful, and for the price of the phone, I think it's pretty great. There's the latest and the greatest Snapdragon 855 processor with up to 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, which means the Mi 9 should pack in some great usual day-to-day performance and some amazing gaming performance. You get Android 9 Pie on board with MIUI 10, a fairly modest 3300 mAh battery with 27-watt Quick Charge 4 Plus support. Lastly, there's the cameras. The Mi 9 comes with a triple camera setup, making it the first Xiaomi phone to pack in 3 cameras. So the setup here features a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, a massive 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 primary sensor, and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor. Plus, Xiaomi has packed in a lot of AI features. Let me give you an example. So the camera app on the Mi 9 automatically detects scenes and suggests you to use the ultra-wide-angle lens or the primary lens or the portrait mode. It can be pretty handy. Apart from that, there's 4K at 60 FPS video support, super slow-mo video recording, and a lot more. On the front, there's a 20-megapixel selfie camera with the AI portrait mode, so you should be able to get some decent selfies. We aren't able to show you the camera samples yet, but we'll definitely talk about the Mi 9 cameras in a lot more detail when we review it. But that was a quick look at the Xiaomi Mi 9 flagship, and Xiaomi has revealed the global pricing of the phone, and the phone starts at 449 euros, which is around 36,000 rupees, and at that price, the Mi 9 is an amazing smartphone. It has the premium looks, flagship grade performance, perfect for 2019, great cameras, and some nice goodies thrown in like the fast wireless charging. So yeah, this is a great value for money flagship. I know the Mi 8 did not arrive in India, but I really hope the Mi 9 arrives in India, and even if it does not, I hope the Poco F2 is a lot like the Mi 9, similar to how the Poco F1 was a lot like the Mi 8. So here's hoping. Hey guys, we are live here from MWC 2019 in Barcelona. So to get exclusive videos from the event, make sure to hit that bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.